decompression. Oh no! What about your watch? No worries, it's helium safe.
Today we'll be reviewing the first version of the Seiko Darth Tuna. Now this particular version is the limited Robert Marx edition, but it is basically the same watch aside from some additional text and graphics. While I will leave the full history of the quartz tunas for another video, I would like to mention that it all got started back in 1978 with the PYF018 600 meter tuna. Almost 30 years later, the first all-black quartz tuna was released, namely the SBBN011 in 2005. While the large 46mm dark shape appears imposing, it is actually quite wearable. This is due in part to its short 38mm lug-to-lug length. The height of the watch is 15mm, the crystal is sapphire, and the shock-absorbing shroud is ceramic. While there is some concern about the brittle nature of ceramics, I have accidentally dropped the watch multiple times without issue. Also, it's important to keep in mind that Seiko has been using this type of shroud since 1986, so that leads me to suspect that it has shown itself to be reliable historically. Despite all of that, it does pick up marks from contact as the photo here shows. Here you can see the one-piece case back. The regular SBBN011 looks the same minus the Robert Marx graphics and text. Unfortunately, the lugs are not drilled through, so strap changing is a bit more challenging than it needs to be. The movement is the purpose-built 7C46 high-torque quartz movement. It has shown itself to be very reliable historically and has a 5-year battery life. Timekeeping specifications are a loss gain of less than 15 seconds per month. As for my conclusion, I think this watch is a joy to wear. It's lightweight, reliable, and looks really cool. Plus, it's been made in various forms since 1978. The main drawbacks are its non-drilled lugs and relatively complicated battery change procedure due to it being a one-piece case. Namely, you have to remove the bezel and everything else comes out from the front. In my mind, though, these are issues that you rarely need to deal with, especially since the battery life is 5 years. As you can tell, I really love this watch and I highly recommend picking it up on the used market. It's fun to wear, and it's remarkably versatile. And that's about it for this review, and thanks for watching.